If you've ever watched short AI videos pulling millions of views and wondered how people with zero editing skills are doing it, stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create unlimited AI videos in bulk, completely free using a simple workflow that anyone can follow. No paid tools, no complicated software, no prior experience. You'll see how the entire process works from idea to finished video, and you'll understand how creators are quietly building income streams with content like this every single day. Right now, people who don't know how to write stories, don't know how to edit videos, and don't even consider themselves creative are generating massive reach across platforms. These videos are not just getting views, they're turning into long-term opportunities. That's why I decided to study the common patterns behind these success stories. I broke down exactly how they come up with ideas, how they keep their characters consistent, how they generate visuals at scale, and how they add narration without paying for expensive tools. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the same system step by step using 4 completely free and unlimited AI tools. I'll also show you a legal method I personally use to access powerful AI models without paying, which dramatically improves your chances of creating content people actually want to watch. We're going to start with the foundation, which is image creation. The first tool we'll use is called Whisk. Whisk is a Google tool that allows us to generate images and videos, but what we care about here are the images. The reason is simple. Images give us full control over consistency, and consistency is one of the biggest problems beginners face. You've probably seen videos where the main character looks completely different at the start than they do at the end. That instantly breaks immersion and kills retention. We're not going to let that happen. Before we even touch Whisk, I prepared specific prompts designed to avoid errors and keep everything clean. I've placed all of these prompts, along with direct links to every tool used in this video, inside a free PDF. That PDF is available through my Discord, and I'll show you exactly how to get it at the end. For now, just know that everything you need is already organized and ready to copy. Whisk allows us to define characters, styles, and scenes in a way that stays consistent across dozens or even hundreds of images. In a moment, I'll also show you an extension that works together with Whisk to generate images in batches automatically. This means you won't be copying prompts one by one or downloading files manually. The entire process can run on its own while you do something else. Before we generate images, we need strong ideas. This is where most people get stuck, but we're going to solve it properly. Head over to the PDF and copy the very first prompt. This prompt is designed to make the AI analyze which themes are currently going viral for this type of video. Instead of guessing, we let the model do the research. It will return multiple video concepts, and you simply choose the one you like most. To make sure this task is done at the highest level, we're going to use LM Arena. You'll find the link in the PDF as well. LM Arena allows us to test and use some of the most powerful AI models available. The key advantage here is that you can legally use models that are normally limited or paid completely free. I've explained how to use this platform in detail on the channel already, but the short version is that you can access top-tier performance without spending anything. Once you paste the first prompt into LM Arena and run it, you'll get a list of potential viral ideas. Read through them and pick the one that fits your style or goal. When you've chosen it, copy that idea and paste it into the same chat along with the second prompt from the PDF. This second prompt is where the magic really happens. With this second prompt, the AI will build the entire structure of your visual story. First, it will generate detailed prompts for the characters, including how they look, their expressions, and their overall vibe. Then it will define the visual style, such as cinematic, realistic, animated, or minimalist. After that, it will describe the scene, which is the environment where everything takes place. And finally, and most importantly, it will generate all the image prompts you need in bulk, already ordered and ready to use. At this point, you might be thinking that copying all these prompts one by one sounds exhausting. This is exactly where the extension comes in. The extension I'm about to show you allows you to paste the entire list of prompts at once. It will automatically insert them into Whisk, generate each image, and download them to your device without you touching anything. This is incredibly powerful if you want to create long videos or multiple videos at the same time. Before we run the batch generation, we need to set up our characters properly. Take the character prompt and paste it into Whisk manually one time. Generate the character until you get a result that looks interesting and matches the description. Once you're happy with it, move it to the subject section on the left. Make sure the yellow check mark is active because this tells Whisk to lock that character in place. If your story includes more than one character, simply click the plus icon and repeat the process for the next one. Whisk also has a very useful feature where you can upload your own image instead of generating one. This is perfect if you already have a brand character, a product mascot, or a specific face you want to use consistently across all your content. Next, repeat the same process for the scene and the style. Once you've done this, Whisk fully understands how your images should look. At this point, more than half the work is already done. Now we move on to the automation part. Go to the Auto Whisk extension page. The direct link is in the PDF. Install the extension and follow the setup steps exactly as shown. You'll select the correct option, change the language if needed, and once that's done, everything will be ready. Return to Whisk and you'll notice a new panel where you can paste your list of prompts. Go back to LM Arena, copy all the image prompts that were generated, and paste them into this panel. The extension will warn you to keep the panel open and avoid switching tabs while it's running. This is important to prevent errors. Once everything is pasted, click Start. From here, the process runs automatically. Each image is generated one by one and downloaded directly to your device. You don't need to intervene at all. Because all of these tools are free and unlimited, don't be afraid to refine things. If something doesn't look right, adjust the character, scene, or style prompts and run it again. The goal is quality, not speed. With all your images ready, it's time to turn them into a video. I'm going to give you two different options so you can choose based on how much time you want to invest. The first option is the fastest. Open CapCut and place all your images on the timeline, one after another. To avoid static visuals, go to the Effect section and look for free effects like Zoom Lens. Apply them lightly, reduce their intensity, and experiment until the images feel alive. Make sure the effect doesn't have a diamond icon in the corner because that means it's paid. This method creates simple motion that keeps viewers engaged without turning each image into a full video clip. The second option is more advanced, but also more eye-catching. For this, we'll use Meta AI to convert each image into an actual video. Go to the Create section, select Video, and upload your first image. In the Animation description field, paste the animation prompt that LM Arena generated for that specific image. Click Animate and let it run. The result is smooth, natural animation that feels far more dynamic. Because this tool is also free and unlimited, you can retry as many times as needed. Just make sure you work in order and save each video with a clear number so everything stays organized. This will matter when we add the voice later. Once all your videos are generated, import them into CapCut and place them in sequence. You can still apply effects if you want, but now it's time to add narration. Most AI voice tools online are paid, which is frustrating. I'm going to show you one that's completely free and unlimited. Head to Google's audio tools using the link in the PDF. You'll see a field for voice style. This style should stay consistent throughout the entire video. What you'll change is the dialogue for each clip. Copy the narration lines that were generated earlier and paste them one by one. Test different voices until you find one that feels natural and engaging. Once you're happy, generate the audio and save each clip in order. Now go back to CapCut, match audio clip 1 with video clip 1. Adjust the video speed slightly if needed so it syncs perfectly with the voice. Repeat this for every segment. You can add transitions and effects as long as they're free, and once everything is synced, export the final video. At this point, you've created a complete AI-generated video from scratch. You've generated ideas, images, animations, and voiceover, all without paying for a single tool. You also now have a system that can be repeated endlessly. To recap, you now have a method to generate images in batches without limits, 2 different ways to turn those images into engaging videos, and a free audio tool that removes the need for paid voice generators. If you found this useful, this is absolutely worth a like and a subscription, because this workflow alone can change how you create content going forward. As promised, to get the free PDF with all the prompts and direct links, head to the Discord linked in the description. Go to the bot PDF channel, send the bot the link to this video, follow the steps shown, and it will send you the PDF completely free. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.